AI agents are starting to pay for things. APIs, data, services, over open rails like X402. But a payment authorization is a secret. Where should it live, and what keeps it safe? This is Multipaz, an open-source SDK that any app can use to store and present credentials in secure hardware on open standards across Android and macOS. X402 is an open payment scheme many providers can implement: Hedera, Coinbase, Solana, Polygon. The wallet treats each as a pluggable provider. Here, Hedera's live, the others are next. We set up an X402 credential for Hedera. Multipaz generates the signing key inside the phone's secure hardware, the TEE, so the private key never leaves the device, and it's born recoverable, with a one-time recovery key, shown just once. To pay, the agent's request is approved behind a biometric. The key signs, and an X402 facilitator settles it on Hedera testnet. The wallet's only job is to produce the signature. On-chain in seconds, tied to a real order. Agentic commerce, with a credential the user controls in hardware. And here's where it gets powerful. That account now lives in the wallet as a credential. Modeled as an mdoc or an SD-JWT VC, the same authorization becomes interoperable, issued with OpenID 4 VCI, presented over OpenID 4 VP, the W3C Digital Credentials API, NFC, even FIDO KBL. One hardware-backed credential for payments, contracts, and machine payment protocols across many rails for many purposes. It's experimental, and it all runs on testnets. No real money, no risk. But the same model could one day ride in mainstream wallets like Google Wallet or Apple Wallet. Imagine any app, any wallet, holding Agentic Payment Credentials in hardware through a generic X402 credential or pluggable capabilities. Let's start the conversation.